Welcome back to Tip Tuesday presented by MS Consulting. If you need any assistance with your health and safety on site, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 078 863 6657. Let's get into it. We've got 5 tips this week for you, starting with number 1. Comply with the Occupational Health and Safety Act, or the OH&S Act. The OH&S Act is a primary legislation governing health and safety in the workplace in South Africa. It sets out the general duties of employers and employees, as well as specific requirements for certain industries and activities. Construction companies must ensure that they are in full compliance with the OH&S Act and all relevant regulations, like the construction regulation. Number 2, develop and implement a health and safety plan. A health and safety plan is a document that sets out the company's policies and procedures for managing health and safety risks. It should include clear roles and responsibilities, as well as procedures for identifying, assessing, and controlling these risks. The plan should be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure its effectiveness on site. Number 3, provide training and induction for all employees. All employees should be trained on the company's health and safety policies and procedures, as well as specific risks associated with their job, like working at heights. New employees should receive induction training on their first day of work. Training should be ongoing and refreshed regularly. Number 4, provide personal protective equipment, or PPE. PPE is equipment that is worn to protect employees from workplace hazards. Construction companies must provide their employees with the appropriate PPE, such as hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, and boots. Employees must be trained on how to use these PPE and maintain it properly. Number 5, monitor and audit health and safety performance. Construction companies should regularly monitor and audit their health and safety performance. This will help to identify areas where improvement is needed. Audits should be conducted by qualified personnel, and the findings should be documented and acted upon. In addition to these tips, construction companies should also create a culture of safety where everyone is responsible for their own safety and the safety of others. This can be achieved by promoting open communication and reporting of safety hazards by rewarding employees for safe work practices. Here are some additional tips that are specifically relevant to construction companies in South Africa. Be aware of the high fatality rate in the construction industry in South Africa. This is due to the number of factors, including a lack of training, poor safety awareness, and inadequate supervision. Focus on preventing accidents from happening in the first place. This can be done by conducting risk assessments, implementing safe work procedures, and providing adequate training to employees. Have a safety plan in place for dealing with emergencies. This should include procedures for first aid, evacuating the site, and contacting the emergency services. Work closely with subcontractors to ensure that they are complying with the company's health and safety policies and procedures. By following these tips, construction companies can help to protect their employees and create a safer workplace for everyone. Thanks everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed Tip Tuesday. See you all next week Tuesday.